Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We went to Walmart again, picked up the original Hover Star motion controlled UFO. Alright, built-in motion sensors, no remote needed, operates via hand commands. Alright. Responds to hand movement, simply toss into the air to begin. Alright. Motion control charges in 30 minutes. Sounds very interesting. There it is. I think we're going to open it up and then we'll show you how to use it. Alright, here it is. Let's see what we can do here. Has a easy opening right here. That looks interesting. Well, I say it's easy. Not as easy as it looks. There is your little hovercraft. Has an on off button right here. There it is, it's on. See the green light flashing there? We'll see what we can do with it here. Let's continue opening it up. Turn it back off here if we can. Little box that came inside it. Let's see what we have here. There's your USB charger cable. Instruction manual. Alright, when all else fails, read the directions. There you go. Okay. Opens up like so. There's your instructions. We'll look at it, see what we have to do. Probably going to have to charge it, so we'll get it charged and we'll show you how to fly it. Alright, we're going to show you how to charge it here. There's the charging port right there. Pull your charging cable out like so. Plugs into it right here. And then you go plug this into your USB port on your computer, your phone, whatever. It takes it about 30 minutes, it says, to charge. So we'll charge it and we'll show you how to fly it. Alright, to turn it on, a little on-off switch right here. Push it down. See how the lights flash? They come on. Now all you got to do is walk out here and just drop it. If it hits something, it just stops. So, sure you got it turned on here. See the lights flashing there? Came on. Now it won't start till you drop it, okay? Watch here. Put your hand beside it, it'll go out the direction. When you get through flying it, hold down your start button there for 3 seconds. See the lights go off? There it is. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.